Hi children, uh, let us start today poem Once a Forest. Is it? So this is very short poem. So nowadays forests are being disappearing. So we have to save forest. So how the children are disappearing the forests? Let us see in the poem what the poem has written in the poem. What the poet has written in the poem Once a Forest. It is written by Patricia Miles Martin. Let us read once this poem, that after I will go to the meaning of this poem. There's a whirring sound in the forest. Timber, the voices call. I hear the buzz of a busy saw and the crack of trees that fall. And now, where once was forest, our houses row on row. I wonder about the forest. Where did the animals go? Yes, this is very short and meaningful, very meaningful poem. So let us start this meaning. There's a whirring sound in the forest. Here, whirring means a buzz sound. What is the machine? How the people going to cut the trees by the machine? That time the sound is buzz whirring sound in the forest. Always nowadays the people are going to cut the trees in the forest by the machine. So that time the sound is whirring sound in the forest. Timber means the trees, the tree wooden. The voices call as while the people are going to cut the trees timber. That time the voices call. What is the voice? Whirring sound. I hear the buzz of a busy saw. Saw means to use the cut trees. I hear, here means Patricia Miles Martin. I means here the poet. I hear the buzz sound. Buzz sound means whirring sound. Busy saw. Saw means the who is going to cut the trees by the machine. That is we call saw. And the crack of trees that fall. Then after cutting the trees, the tree is going to fall down. At the time that sound is crack. That is we call crack of the trees that fall. And now where once was a forest. Now like this all are going to cut daily trees, so forests are being cleared. I think there is no we can found the forest in everywhere. If like this are going to cut the trees daily, we cannot find the forest. Our houses row on row, the instead of forest in the places of the forest. Now uh, the people are going to build the houses row on row. I wonder about that forest. Yes, really, the Patricia Miles Martin wonder about the forest because the forest are nowadays there is no forest because all are going to cut the trees and are making the furnitures and everything by the trees. So where did the animals go? In the forest, animals like animals and insects are living. But after the cutting the trees, where have to go the animals? This is the question of Patricia Miles Martin. So what is the meaning of this poem means we have to save the trees, save the forest, and save the animals also. The poet is saying this like this. So the meaning of this poet, the meaning of this poem totally means this is sad. So sad because all are going to disappearing these forests, is it? So we have to save the trees by uh, planting the trees. Okay, this is the poem meaning. So now we are going to question answers. What is the mood of the poem? The mood of the poem is sad. Is it sad? Very sad because all the forests are being disappearing. Disappearings, all are cutting. Why are the forests being cleared? Yes, why are the forests being cleared? The forests are being cleared to build houses and develop cities. What is wood used for? Prepare a list. Wood is used for many things. Wood is used for furniture, doors, bats, boats, paper, pencils, and windows, bats. Like this, so many things we can make by the woods. Is it? These are the examples of this wood used for. So let us. One more is there here. Let's have some fun. How many animals name can you find in this word spiral? Write them down. Yes, here this is the word spiral. So we can start from here. ELEPHANT elephant, KANGAR kangaroo, PANDA panda, ZEBRA zebra, GIRAFFF giraffe, PORCUPINE porcupine, SNAIL snail, LAIZARD lizard, and PIG pig. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 animals are there in the word spiral. So you can write this question answers in your notebook and read well. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.